Shop Talk in Las Vegas. Shop Talk is important to eHouse because it is a huge conference where there is an abundance of brands and retailers, both our current clients and prospects. So we want to get as much time as possible, follow those people as well as our partners. My name is Cara McKelvie. I'm the marketing manager at eHouse. We create a lot of our top of funnel through events. It's just a great way to get face time with different brands and prospects that we want to work with. We were still managing them in HubSpot, but not well. It was a lot of manual Google Sheets, which then we'd be updating things in HubSpot. It wasn't a super streamlined process at all. Hapily's allowed us to better track our events in terms of who registered, who's attended, who's maybe canceled. I feel like whether you were well versed in HubSpot or had never used it before, it would be easy to utilize all the features that Hapily has to offer. It's allowed us to see how we can better follow up with brands afterwards and kind of what type of events people are interested in and will follow through in coming to. I would say that Hapily has saved me so much time in the event planning process with automations through workflows. We really also love the board view of our events where you can see the pipeline of events, ones we're considering, planning, ones that are complete, and just seeing, what else do we need to add into our pipeline to generate the ROI. So I just think the planning aspect of it as well as the time savings has been huge.